Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra. Today I am going to tell you about some of the main foods that will increase to become taller. That means it will help to produce the human growth hormone and activate the hormone levels, and it will provide you calcium minerals for the growth of bones and muscle mass, etc., bone density, etc. So now I will tell you some important foods that have minerals. As we all know, the important things needed for height growth is proteins, minerals, vitamins. So here I am describing the foods those contain these items. As we all know, proteins are the building blocks of our body, and it will help to increase the height. Proteins helps in maintaining healthy bones, muscle tissues, organs, skins, and everything. And also it helps to stimulate the enzyme for the biochemical reactions, digestion, respiration, excretions. And the next main thing is minerals for the growth hormone production and building blocks of our body and building your bones, muscle mass. We need minerals. So these foods, a list of foods contains minerals, magnesium, phosphorus, fluoride, iron, manganese, etc. And the main vitamins such as vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, vitamin F. These are we get from vegetable. So basically, I am giving the details of these vegetables and the list of foods that contain these type of minerals. The first one I need to tell you here is milk. As we all know, milk is a complete, we called milk as a complete food because it contains protein, calcium, minerals, and everything. So, if you need to increase the height, you must drink 1 glass of milk at night or 1 glass of milk morning. Morning, definitely you need to drink milk. And not only milk, all the dietary products you need must be included in your daily food. Dietary products such as uh, yogurt, cheese, ghee, butter, laban, buttermilk, everything you must need to include in your daily fooding habit because it is having protein, calcium, and minerals. So you don't need to avoid these food. You must include these food in your daily diet. The second important thing is clam meat. So weekly once, at least once in a week, you must include clam meat in your diet. So clam meat is rich in calcium. So you must include clam meat in your food. You can understand the people who are eating clam meat in a daily diet, they have more height compared to normal people. So if you need to gain more height, you must include clam meat in your daily diet. This is a rich calcium rich food and a vitamin D rich food available in sea. So you must include this food in your daily diet at least once in a week. The next thing I need to tell you is the fruit, especially the banana. Banana is rich in phosphorus and other minerals, so you must include banana at least one banana once in a day. So it will help in digestion and it will supply minerals. And it helps the body to absorb more minerals. It helps in digestion. Next thing is egg. So egg is also rich in all the minerals and especially protein and calcium that will help in bone growth and maintain bone mass density, muscle mass. So you must include eggs in your daily diet. Then we go to the non-veg item, non-veg products such as chicken, meat product, chicken. So in chicken first you need to include chicken legs and the chicken breast part, because in chicken the leg and breast part contain more zinc and mineral content. So if you need to grow more, you must include the chicken legs and breast part in your daily diet. And the next is red meat. So you can include red meat in your daily diet. Red meat include mutton, beef, whatever it is. You can add the red meat in your daily diet, and at least twice or thrice in a day you can add red meat in your daily diet. Then before I tell the seafood especially fish contain rich vitamins and minerals, and the seafood contain vitamin D, calcium, everything. So you must include fish also in your daily life. And the next important thing is sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are good in starch, carbohydrates, and minerals. So it tasty also good. So you can include sweet potato also in your daily life. This will promote the growth hormone production in your body. And then we will go to the leafy vegetables. We know leafy vegetables. So these spinach, green leaves, you can include any leafy vegetables, spinach or any other. And you can also include broccoli also, no problem, but you can try variety, because leafy vegetables contain more minerals such as magnesium, manganese, etc. So you can add these for your body's hormonal production and maintaining of your body. And then we go for the next: cashew nut, badam, pista, peanut. You can add any one of these on your daily diet. This will also need to supply minerals to our body. So in this you can add any one of the item per day, because it is more costly. So you can add anything you need which is getting in cheap rate, you can add to your daily basis. Then if we move to the vegetable section once more, one of the main thing you can add in your diet is carrot. The carrot, which is also rich in riboflavin, minerals, etc. So you must include the carrot also in your daily food, in salad or something. You can put salad using curd, and you can add this carrot to it also. Then if you need more protein, you can add soya bean also. Soya bean also helps in height growth and body strength and muscle production. It is rich in protein, so you must add soya bean. If you need to gain height, you must add soya bean to your diet for faster gaining. Then another important protein source is oats meal. You can take oats meal in morning or evening. It is less in cholesterol and provide more fiber. Oats meal is especially rich in fiber content and less cholesterol, and it helps in protein synthesis on body and maintain muscles and helps in bone growth. So you must include oats meals also in your daily diet. So these are the list of basic list of some food item that you will get in cheap rate, and it will help to promote the height growth. If you need to gain height, you can add any of these in your daily basis. So it will give you growth hormone production, and it will increase the height growth of the body. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like my video, subscribe my channel, share my video. Again, thanks for watching my